Sri Raghavendra, you are watching the video which is very much interesting to you also. You are seeing the birds, but these birds are not sleeping, and neither they are sleeping nor they are dead. They are the birds, these are the birds which have taken wine. It is matter of big surprise. Do the birds drink wine? Yes, these birds are taking wine, and after hallucination, sedation, they fall on the ground and takes rest. How does it possible? These birds are found in Poland and called waxwing. You are seeing the fruits, and these fruits, these are berries. These berries are used to make wine in Poland. Incidentally, birds eat them, and some of them are rotten and converted fruits are converted in fruits of wine, and birds eat all the fruits and they go in sedation. They fall from the trees, and you are seeing their bodies, but these are not dead. These are the birds who have taken, you may say, eaten such berries which is packed with wine, and this is the result. They are sleeping on the roads. People know this is phenomena, this is day-to-day phenomena of these roads, and people enjoy it. Birds are taking rest. They keep it in hands, and after some time, they they get up and they go away from hands. Again, they goes